Happy New Year, everybody. It is so good to see you on the first day of this year. I was actually reading a book and I thought why not to share it live with you right away, right now, as I'm sitting at home. I read a very wonderful thing which says about New Year resolutions. Maximum of us, we feel that making New Year resolution is the most foolish thing one could ever do because New Year resolutions are not meant to be followed. As we say, promises are meant to be broken. Similarly, we say New Year resolutions are not meant to be followed. But I have a study and I would like to mention it here. And initially, I told this in one of my classes as well, which says 20% of people write New Year goals. They are 10 times more likely to achieve them than those who do not write any of their goals. Another para says it 3% of a group of Harvard MBA graduates wrote down their goals. 10 years later, they earned 10 times more than those who did not write any goals. So, what do you mean by this? What are New Year goals? Have you ever thought of that? What kind of people do write their New Year goals? Personally, I believe that people who are aiming for something new, who have some clarity in their mind, who want to grow year by year, who want to make each year a new year, who want to have some targets set every year, they might love to make goals. Because these goals take you slowly to your vision statement. Whatever you are aiming, whatever vision you have in your mind, I am sure these goals will lead you there. So create your vision statement. If you do not want to write much, just write 2 sentences or a para. You do not have to have high vision statement. You do not have to have big things in your basket. आपका विजन स्टेटमेंट ये भी हो सकता है that you need to clear your clutters in your mind, in your heart and in your body. आपका विजन स्टेटमेंट ये भी हो सकता है you want to clear clutter of your house. आपका गोल न्यू ईयर का ये भी हो सकता है, आपका रेजोल्यूशन ये भी हो सकता है that this year I want to be clutter free. ये आपका विजन हो सकता है that this year has to be a clutter free vision. Make your monthly visions, make your yearly visions and try working on them. This is very truly said and I personally believe, and I say this every time, when we have something in our mind, we try to work on them. Why does these mind maps work? Why does these images which we paste on our cupboards and our washrooms work? Because when we see those images, when we see those sentences, when we see those affirmations, we start believing that and we try to do something or other in that direction. आप कोई इमेज चिपका के क्या वो ऑटोमेटिकली फुलफिल कर जाएगी क्या? ऑटोमेटिकली उसमें लाइफ आ जाती है क्या? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. When we paste some images, some targets on our walls, on our cupboards, on our washrooms, then definitely जितनी बार हम उसको देखते हैं उतनी बार हमारे दिमाग में क्लिक करता है yes, we have to do this, we have to achieve this. And when that yes clicks into our mind, we start thinking in that direction. Maybe for a minute, maybe for a second, or maybe for a day. But जितनी बार भी हम उस डायरेक्शन में सोचते हैं, we come up with something new. And we reach little near to our goal. We reach little near to our vision. So, that is why I always say making visions, making resolutions, creating your visions is very, very important. This will lead you to your success map. Your success map can be anything. Your success map can be to create your own brand image, to become an influencer, to help needy people, to become little slim, to become little more beautiful, to become much and more smarter, or to become more attractive, or to be a millionaire, or to start a new business, or to read much more, or to become a topper. There are many, many, many ors which are there and which we are ready to, accomplish. So I would request you all, please make your New Year resolutions. Please get little nearer to your success, little nearer to your goal. Create your success map. Put your steps. Identify your visions. Identify your dreams. Take one day at a time. And as and when you're reaching nearer to your success, do not forget to hold the hand of gratitude. Be thankful for whatever you are, whatever you have in your life. Because thankfulness always comes with lots and lots of happiness and contentment. This year, be contented. Last year भी हम कहते थे ना 2020 में कैसे जाएगा ये साल, कैसे होगा, चीजें कैसी पूरी होंगी. But I think it has gone so smoothly. Why? Because we were in the closest periphery of our loved ones. हम कभी इतने closest periphery में अपने loved ones के पास नहीं रहे. We were away only from one thing, that was loneliness. We were away from being aloof. जब भी हमने struggle करा work front पे, personal front पे, due to this lockdown, we were near to our loved ones. And we were, lucky. Last year we have been very lucky. And still we are lucky क्योंकि हम अभी उसी फ्रेम में काम कर रहे हैं. तो we are still lucky कि हम अभी भी अपने close loved ones की periphery में हैं. So we shall be very much thankful to 2020, and please make your goals for 2021 so that this year you can have full year. Set with all your visions, set with all your thoughts, and ready with your success map. So I wish you all a very, very, very happy 2021 with all the love, happiness, and abundance. And I wish that each year, each day, just bring lots of abundance, peace, health, and love for you. And guys, do not forget to subscribe me anymore. So please subscribe and like me, and please keep updating me on your visions, on your goals, whatever you have. Thank you so much. See you again. Ta-da, bye-bye. Happy New Year.